In this video, I will discuss my symptoms that I faced at the very beginning of my sciatic problem. The first of all was the burning of feet. When I sat or to rest for a long time, there was an increased burning in my both feet, especially the leg one. Firstly, I thought that it may be diabetes mellitus symptom because this is the sign of the neuropathy. Neuropathy means degradation and damage to the nerves. These I will discuss all my symptoms that I faced during my this problem. Listen carefully, listen very carefully all the symptoms and comment which symptoms you are facing right now. But I have cured all my symptoms only by exercise without any surgery or steroid injections. The first of all, my symptom was the burning of its lower side. My second symptom was feeling like needles are hurting my feet and left leg. This is just like tingling. My third symptom was sharp pain during cough. When I catch cough, there was an intense pain radiating from back through buttocks, legs, and even feet. It could be feel easily and clearly. And next, my symptom was sharpening of pain during the sneezing. I was a patient of allergic flu also. I often gets cold and sneezing starts. I felt during sneezing, at the time of sneezing, my pain was increased and runs throughout the course of my leg. My next symptom was numbness in feet, especially the lower side. My exact point of numbness was the smallest finger area of my left feet. At the very beginning, it was very irritating. Then, with the help of exercise and proper diet, it is now clear. My next symptom was numbness of left feet if I sit for 5 minutes on hard surface. Yes, very important. As when we sit on a hard surface, the nerve is almost blocked. So numbness again reaches. When I sat on soft surface, then there was no numbness. And the next symptom was that I felt was the muscle tightening in whole the leg, especially the back muscle. It was some back muscle which starts from the buttocks and lower leg. It was become tight and painful. My symptom next symptom is little forgetfulness. Like if I met someone after few months, I forgot his name. Yes, actually, my memory was very clear and efficient before this sciatic issue. After few months or 1 year of this issue, I felt that I started to forget the names of some known persons that I knew clearly. Even I was unable to recognize that person if I met him or her after long time. Then I came to know that this is was all due to the sciatica. because sciatic nerve is also linked with the brain and our whole nervous system is linked. So, due to damage to the nerves, forgetfulness also occurs. My next symptom that made me worried was sometimes I felt difficulty in balancing. As our nervous system controls the balancing system, our equilibrium, sometimes I felt like I am going to fall on the floor. This was due to sciatica. Do you feel this symptom? My next symptom was erectile dysfunction. That was highly worrying problem for me because it make little weaker. But after the proper exercise, now I am fully recovered. And the next symptom was pain in back leg if I lift some weight. My weight bearing ability was almost lost. This is definitely due to the weakness in the leg area and the muscles and nerves. Next symptom was the restlessness in legs at night. This was the very critical and worrying symptom for me. It is also known as the restlessness leg syndrome. It occurs mostly in the pregnant females, but I felt this issue during my journey of the sciatic issue. Many of the sciatic patients feel this problem, especially at night. It was very discomfortable. One day during the massage, during some massage therapy, I felt that my left leg that was affected by sciatica was little weaker. To clear my doubt, I measured. Actually, it was in reality weaker than the right leg. It was very terrifying and worrying problem for me that my one leg was little weaker in diameter along the buttocks. Buttock size and leg was little weaker. All due to these secondary problems like erectile dysfunction, pains, poor sleep, tingling, burning. I fell into the depression. Next, one day after a few years, remember that I faced this issue many years. I didn't recover it at the early. It was my biggest mistake. Remember, if you are facing this issue or in the very early stage, please kindly, requestly cure it very beginning. Then later it becomes very difficult to fully recover from this issue. Then, when it remains for months or years, urinary system and bladder control, gut control also affected. Next, my symptom was it was very difficult for me to bend forward or backward. I am discussing my last symptom almost. This is the straight leg test, SLR test, straight leg test. You can see in the picture clearly by lying down. If you can lift the affected leg at the 90 degrees, you are not affected by sciatica. But if you pick it up only for 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 45 degrees, then you are certainly affected by sciatica. This is the very important test. Guys, these were my symptoms. I will tell you people the exercises, diet plans, what to do, what not to do, what to eat, what not to eat, my recovery journey. I will discuss later in this video how I fully recovered and how my all symptoms which I discussed were gone. This was a big day for me, big month for me when I felt that my last symptom like tingling, burning, all had gone. But remember, the treatment for this sciatica is not so fast. You have to do exercises, follow the proper protocol, follow the proper diet plan for weeks and even months. For the months, just follow my channel and subscribe. I will discuss the home remedies and how I recovered in the next video. Kindly do subscribe, like, and comment. My way of telling my problem is not so efficient, I understand, but I am telling the actual, the real causes, symptoms, and treatments. Thank you.